Diwali. Diwali is known as the festival of lights. Diwali is one of the most famous and the biggest festival of India. This festival is celebrated in the memory of Lord Rama who returned to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. On this occasion, Hindus light candles and decorate their houses with rangoli. Hindu children are found very happy on this festival burning firecrackers. In Hindus, religious rituals are performed on this occasion. Young adults and old all worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesh. Hindus share sweets and gifts with their friends and neighbors. In India, public holiday is observed and people enjoy this festival with great enthusiasm. It is one of the most loved and enjoyable festivals of Hindus.